Hello, physics, electric fields. And the problem is a 2.50 microfarad capacitor is charged to 857 volts and a 6.80 microfarad capacitor to 652 volts. Then these capacitors are disconnected from the batteries and are connected to a positive and negative plates. Positive and negative plates. What will be the potential difference and the charges on each plates? So first of all, these capacitors, so C1 is connected to a battery, C1, and this battery is 857 volts, and this is C2, and this is C2, which is 652 volts. And then these capacitors are attached to a plate, a negative plate and positive plate. This is C1 and this is C2, and we have to find the voltage difference and the charge on each at the final stages. Initial stage, and this is final. So Q initial, Q1I is equal to C1 V1I, and Q2I is equal to C2 V2I, and the initial charge is equal to Q1I plus Q2I. So similarly, final Q1F is equal to C1V1F. Q2F is C2, but now the charges voltage is the same. V1F. V2F is equal to V1F, same voltage. And Q final is equal to V1F common, C1 plus C2 into V1F. Charge conservation, Q1, QF, this one. So this one is Q equal to CV. So this will be Q is equal to C1 V1I. This is value V1I, C2 V2I over this one C1 plus C2 into V1F. So we have to find this one. So V1F is equal to, so C1 V1I plus C2 V2I over C1 plus C2. So if you substitute the values, C1 is given 2.50 into 10 power minus 6 farad multiplied by 857 volts plus C2. C2 is 6.80, 10 power minus 6 farad multiplied by voltage 652 volts divided by this one, and this one. This answer is equal to V1F is equal to, this one is equal to 711.95 volt, or V1F, which is equal to V2F, which is equal to V final is equal to 712 volts. Now charges, so put this value here. Q1F is equal to C1 V1F. So C1 is equal to 2.50 10 to the power minus 6 into 711.95 volts, and this answer will be 1.78 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. So this is Q1F. Q2F is equal to C2 V1F. C2 is equal to 6.8 10 power minus 6 farad multiplied by 711.95 volts, and this will give us 4.84 10 power minus 6 coulomb. This is Q2F. 6.84 microcoulomb. So this is the answer. 3 answers. So this is the question. So two charges, different batteries when charged, then attached to a metal plate, then initial charge, then final charge, and the voltage difference and the charge on each capacitor afterward we will find out. So this is the answer.